Holly, what are you wearing, mate?
Isn't this what I'm supposed to wear?
No, this site's been cleared of asbestos, otherwise you wouldn't be here.
Oh.
Come on in, I'll tell you all about it.
So how does it affect you dealing with asbestos?
You know, these days information is freely available to us when managing asbestos. You just have to follow the process on every job.
And so when do you first start thinking about asbestos when you're doing a reno?
When I'm at the beginning of a job, I look to consult the asbestos register first. And if there isn't one available, I engage an independent licensed asbestos assessor. They will identify all the asbestos that may be affected by the renovation. I have to look out for my crew and my clients. A lot of houses do have asbestos, but if it's under 10 square metres, I can remove it myself. Because I trained in identification, safe handling and suitable control measures for asbestos and ACM. I follow the guidelines whilst wearing PPE and RPE to wrap it, book it and dispose of it at the waste facility in Blaxland. It costs me the same and it costs my clients the same, so I've done the right thing.
And what if there is more than 10 square metres?
I just factor in the time and the price to get a licensed asbestos removalist.
And remember, all the information you need is online, so check it out. Because together, we've got it sorted.